Tape rolling.
Okay, so this is a job prep for
1144.
1144 Cambridge. All right, so the biggest issue we have here right now is these things are all lag screwed. So there's a couple things that we can do here to make this thing all go away, because all of them are lag screwed, so we need to through bolt. Through bolting involves, you know, putting in a plate on the inside, right, which is the cure, right? So the cure is either lag screw it, through bolt it into the building and then, you know, put a plate on the inside, or if we can leg this thing to the ground in any way, we avoid the whole need. So I'm looking at, this is all his building, so I would do something, if it was me, instead of going through all the interior damage that you're going to go through, I would run a channel from this building, which is his. I'd run a channel up against, in that area there, run a channel across. You have the ability to put a leg here, so you can actually use a smaller channel. You can run a 4-inch channel from there all the way across to here, and I would post it to the ground here and put a plate on the bottom. Leg straight up, that picks up that channel, and then that channel split in the middle, which I would use this one, I would basically put it to here. You understand?
You can go across all the way?
So come down to here. So a 4-inch channel or a 5-inch channel going across that. And I would post it. So I'm using the house. I'm using the house here if I wish to. I don't even have to have a post. I could create some sort of leg up, but I wouldn't. You know, I would transfer the load to a post. It's tied here so that when somebody's coming out here, this post cannot be, you know, blocking anybody's way, right? So now I've just eliminated, and you can see the pull. You can see the whole pull. Come over here, Andre. Viv, you see the whole pull of how this thing is all tilted out?
Yeah, it's coming out of the wall.
Understand? Now this is just because somebody didn't through bolt this into the building, they lag bolted it into the building. Okay?
So that leg is actually coming out.
Yeah, it's starting to pull out. Everything's starting to pull out. So we need to basically jack this baby back up. Okay? That's the first problem. Number two is if you step back here and you start looking up there, right? And you start seeing all the other ones, it's the same issue. It's starting to, they're all lag bolted up there. So now the question is, how do you through bolt it up there? You know what I'm saying? And here's the beauty.
Why can't you just put a channel straight down to the same pole?